The 2014 UJ solar car model was revealed in early August. We caught up with project manager Warren Herter to hear the latest on their progress.
We're in the electronics lab. We've been waiting on a few components. We've had a few delays, unfortunately, but we hope to have everything here sort of this week and then assemble it through the weekend and hopefully do our first test run next week. And then by the end of next week, hopefully ready to do some high-speed testing. So you'll see behind me, we actually have the solar cells that we've pasted onto the top of the vehicle. That was a very tedious process. They're very sensitive solar cells. So we've put them in position and we just need to solder them underneath. And then across the lab on my left-hand side, we've also got the batteries that we're working on. We're testing motors, setting up wiring looms. So there's quite a bit happening in this workshop at this stage. This car is quite different to the previous car in that the materials are definitely a major up. Before we weighed the car, it was around 330 kilos. Our target now is under 150 kilograms, which for a car, you can imagine, it's the weight of a largish person. So it's a very light car. The biggest challenge has definitely been the learning curve. Before, we've worked with basic materials. We've sort of tried to keep things simple, but now we've moved it up a gear. We're trying to push the technology boundaries. We're trying a lot of different things. So everything we've developed in-house as well, which is quite different to a lot of other teams. We're working on our own circuit boards, developing our own systems. We're using 3D printing technology throughout to optimize the vehicles. The goal for this year is definitely to take on the best. We've got the world #1 coming through. We want to be on their tail. We want to take them on.